Hi guys, it's Justin and with a special guest, JJ. I think he's going to be joining us a lot more, and today, this is not a regular video.
We're going to do a slime gun.
We have the Ryan's Toy Reveal slime gun. He really likes watching Ryan, so I thought today you would use his slime gun. Oh yeah. So,
He doesn't even.
I know. So today, we're going to be using the Ryan's Toy Reveal slime gun. So, want to try it out, Jay?
Yep. Let me do it first.
Come here, over here. Don't shoot it on my phone, okay? Just shoot it on the table. So it doesn't really work. It works good, but he broke it a little. It doesn't really work that well. Now I'm going to try. Look. It really works. So, yeah.
Don't you have the slime?
You have the slime gun. I'm going to shoot you. Pew, 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 pew. Get over here. Jay, stay over here. Come on. Alright. So, yeah, we have the slime gun. I'm going to shoot you, Jay. Come here. Come here, Jay. Come here. Jay, stay in the camera. Everybody can see you. Come here. I'm going to shoot you, Jay. Pew, 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 pew. Some slime on your hand. This is a slime. It's not really slime, but it's like stickiness. Oh, shoot the bug. Shoot the bug.
And die. Shoot him.
You shot the buggy.
I want to shot him over there. Give me, I want to shot him over there. Him. Oh my God. Got him. Hi guys, today it's me and Justin.
We already said that.
And the slime gun.
Yeah, we're squirting the buggy. But, yeah, this is a slime gun. I'm going to shoot it on the table. Then you guys can look if you want to.
I want to shoot some.
Come on.
Not there. I can't shoot some.
No, Jay, I'm here on the table where the other people can see. Look, we're shooting it. Shooting it all over the table. Whole bunch right there. Jay, come here, give me the slime. Look, give me the slime gun real quick. That's the bug that we've been trying to get. I shot him.
Okay, shoot.
Now we're gonna shoot the slime gun at his Jeep.
No, this is my car. So don't play there. You don't know what it was there.
We're gonna shoot his ball over here. There's a ball over there. Can you see it? We're gonna shoot it. Come here, Jay. Have to shoot your ball. Pew, 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 pew. Because you already broke it. Look, guys. The ball. We're gonna shoot it. So, yeah. Slime gun. Pew, pew, pew. Pretty cool slime gun. We're gonna be buying some more Ryan toys, right, JJ? You're buying some more Ryan toys. And we're gonna be testing them out. They work. So, say bye, Jay.
Bye. What you gonna play in the water, Don?
Alright. Bye. Join us next time for Justin and JJ.